Welcome to the channel, Ahilin here, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about how I sold over 10,000 audiobook units. So as you can see, I'm giving you a view of my account. So 10,642 units in total sold as of to date, January 14, 2019. I started back late 2017, and to be honest, I really wasn't 100% committed to Audible because I was still on the hype of paperbacks, because quote unquote, that's where all the money was made. However, I really overlooked and regret overlooking audiobooks. I wish I doubled down sooner. As of now, I only have 57 projects available for audiobooks that are being sold. A few are bundles. I have a handful that are bundles and some are not. And in this video, I'm just going to talk about the things I've learned on the way, the mistakes I've made, and the things you can do to enhance and increase your audiobook income. So as you can see, my name's over here. I've blurred this section out on purpose because it has my company account name. And yeah, so let's get into the video. So first off, I want to say, ACX is a untapped market. As you know, it's a gem, and it's a gem. It's a hidden opportunity. It's an opportunity a lot of people don't know about. Like I said in my other videos, ACX is not as saturated as Kindle and paperbacks. So as you can see, as of today, January 14, 2019, I have 291 units sold for this month. It's a decent amount. It could be better. Now, I want you to know that I only have, again, 57 projects out. A lot of people who do, more, I should say, I make 3K a month consistently with audiobooks. I mean, sometimes it dips down to 2,900, 2,800, but I'm in the ballpark of 3K a month for the most part, and only with 57 audiobooks. So that's what I'm doing. I won't say most, but there's some publishers who do have more than me, and people who tend to do more than 3K a month have over 100 audiobooks or more. So anyways, let's get into the fundamentals of audiobooks. So first of all, here's the breakdown you need to know. And my biggest mistake when starting out is I would publish audiobooks within the hour or 1 hour to 3 hour mark. So I'd be getting $7 to $10 sales, right? So that was a big mistake. And on top of that, I did royalty shares. So all my income would be split in half. I wouldn't be getting 40%, I would be getting 20%. And it wouldn't only be 20% of the royalty sale, it would be 20% of the bounty. So I obviously learned that, short books, aren't a good idea. And there are some publishers who actually promote, just have volume, publish a bunch of short books and you can make a lot of Audible. It's not worth it. I can give you the breakdown right now, actually. So where's the calculator? Calculator's over here. So if you're going to, let's say you make a $7 royalty times 40, sorry, $7 sale. So you're making a $3 royalty off a $7 sale. So that's not a lot of money. I mean, you're basically making what you make for ebooks, right? It's not worth your time. So you want to hit the sweet spot, which is between, I'd say, a minimum of 10 to 20 hours versus, basically the starting point should be here at the minimum. But I would say aim for 15 to 25 and $20 to 30. So let's see what happens if we get a $15 royalty. So $6. So that's quite a significant difference from a $2 royalty. So you want to create long audiobooks with long narration runtimes, and as well as you want to make sure you do upfront payment as opposed to doing a split deal. Although the split deal may seem lucrative at the moment, appealing at the moment, like you don't have to pay your narrator upfront for any cost, there's no risk associated with it. However, for 7 years, you're going to be locked into a contract where they will be taking half of your royalties, right? And right now, since ACX, there's not even, at the time of this recording, there's less than 200,000 audiobooks on for sale on ACX. So the opportunities there to make tons of money for both bounties and royalties. So the mistakes I made along the way were short books, so 1 to 3 hour books, and splitting my royalties. And lastly, was not double downing sooner, right? So those are the mistakes I've made and things that I've learned on the way that that cost me a lot of money. And in this video, I'm showing you what you can do to enhance your audiobook royalties and things you can do to increase the royalty you get. So that's gonna be all for this video. I hope you found it insightful. Like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.